SOSfix. We have this iPhone 7 Plus. It has no power. If we plug it to the charge, it's taking about 0 amp, so there is no power going to the phone. I see it jump to the 0.40, then go back to 0. So let's test it with the external power supply. There is a search and the phone. Let me show you. So I set up the power supply at the 3.9. You see that? That's a complete search. So the voltage is dropped to the 1 volt and the amps is a 2 amp.
Looks like Janae finally picked up trick-or-treating. She has all 3 of them. And the sucker.
And I guess out.
There is no search in the battery line. So the search should be somewhere else. So let me check to see if I can get any where the warm spot is. So I feel warm in 2 spots, here and here. Yep, somewhere here and somewhere here, I think. So let's look at it at the microscope and see if we can find anything. So I don't see anything this spot. So maybe what it was getting warm is this MOSFET here. That's the MOSFET is connected between the battery line and the VDD main. And I did see this capacitor here. There is a solder ball on it, right over there. So maybe this is the capacitor was getting hot. So let's gonna put some alcohol in it and we'll test it. So let's check that spot. So basically just the MOSFET. Watch that MOSFET is dry. So this is the MOSFET that was getting hot, so mostly this is not the problem. This is the chip that was getting this one here. So let's put some we'll check the other spot, this one here. So so it's, yep, looks good. That alcohol is moving. So that's the bad capacitor. I'm gonna remove it. So there is no more short. This is the place of the capacitor. So it's good. And I'm going to turn the power supply. So the voltage is stable at 3.9 and 0 amp. That's good. So let's put the board in the frame and see if it's going to power on. So yeah, the phone is boot to the home screen. Yeah, and this is for the data recovery, and it's good the phone has no password because the customer wasn't sure about if they still remember the password for this phone. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you on next one.